Hello everyone, this is Tarun Kotagiri from KJarset. This is the goal 5 video submission. The goal is to send the water sensor data to ThingSpeak using MQTT. So here's the hardware connection. It's pretty simple. I just connected the water sensor to the node MCU, but the catch is we need to connect the signal pin of water sensor to the analog pin, and ESP8266 has only one analog pin, that is A0. So make sure to connect it the right way. And here's the code. Yeah, well, even though MQTT server, if I used MQTT server as MQTT3 and then port number 8883, I don't know why, but it didn't connect, so I reverted back it to the way it was, MQTT and 1883. And this is just an introduction, like goal 5, sending water sensor to IoT using MQTT. And then yeah, make sure to name the client name, which is the same as the channel you create in here. And then connecting to MQTT broker. If the connection is successful, I'm reading the water pin value using analog read function and then storing it in the payload, sending it via MQTT. If the payload is sent correctly, it says publish OK. And here in the output, if you can see, oh my god, yeah, here it is. What the? Just a sec. Yeah, here it is. Initiating goal 5 executing sequence, goal 5 sending water sensor data to ThingSpeak using MQTT, the user, me of course, and the date and time at which I started this. Connection successful, connecting to mqtt.thingspeak.com as water sensor goal 5, connected to broker, and the topic is as follows: publish success, sending payload. If you can see here, the field data is very low, and then it kept on rising and rising. Now if I dip the sensor in water, if you can see, it's actually pretty low, like below 100. Now I'm just dipping the water sensor in here. Let's wait for a while. Yes, I guess this should do the job. Yes, as expected, the data increased over 550. Now if I go back to ThingSpeak, it says last entry less than a minute ago, and here it is, water level 503. It was initially outside of water, which showed a 10, and then as soon as I dipped it in, it raised exponentially. If you can see, it says 10 to 543, and then we removed the water sensor again, and now when connected again 561, and then again we remove the thing. So here's the output. Thank you.